A car with a rebuilt title is a vehicle that has been previously declared a total loss by an insurance company due to significant damage or theft. However, instead of being sent to a salvage yard or dismantled for parts, the vehicle has been repaired and restored to a roadworthy condition. Once the necessary repairs have been completed, the car undergoes an inspection by a designated authority, such as the Department of Motor Vehicles or a certified mechanic, to ensure it meets the safety and roadworthiness standards. After passing the inspection, the car's title is changed from salvage to rebuilt or reconstructed. This indicates that the vehicle was previously salvaged but has since been repaired and is legally allowed to be driven on the road. The exact terminology may vary depending on the jurisdiction. It's important to note that a car with a rebuilt title may have had significant damage in the past, such as damage from an accident, flood, fire, or other incidents. The repairs and restoration process aim to bring the vehicle back to a functioning condition, but it's essential to thoroughly inspect the vehicle's history, condition, and documentation before considering a purchase. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that a car with a rebuilt title generally has a lower market value compared to a similar vehicle with a clean title. In fact, a rebuilt car can be significantly cheaper than a comparable clean title car. Insurance premiums for rebuilt title cars may be less expensive, as you may not get as much compensation in case of a total loss, since the actual value is lower than a comparable clean title vehicle. So both the purchase price and ongoing insurance costs could be substantially lower. If you're considering purchasing a car with a rebuilt title, it's crucial to conduct a comprehensive inspection, obtain a vehicle history report, and consult with a trusted mechanic or automotive expert to assess the condition and value of the vehicle. Being well informed about the car's history and condition will help you make an informed decision and understand the potential risks and benefits associated with a rebuilt title vehicle.